As a CEO, what are the first or top 5 things do you focus in your day-to-day basis in your company?
I think the first one, priority one, is a sales and revenue target. This is, to me, is the most important one to run a business. If you want to be a CEO, good CEO, this is a top priority one that can bring the success for your company. Because this one will help you to have a good performance for your company. And after that, everything for operation, for the other back of the house, everything that can be established accordingly. You don't need to so worry about the back office at the beginning, because at the end, if you don't have sales, you don't have revenue, your business is going down, then the back of the house has nothing to do, right? So the first priority one is sales and revenue. You need to very aggressive on that. The second one, I think meet the deadline. To me, actually, we need to have a commitment. And that's why I asked the team, when they do the planning, they need to have the deadline over there, to achieve. So, and then you need to commit with that deadline. Don't excuse, no excuse for any reason. All right, so that one will push your teams going forward to achieve the goal. The third one, I think, is monitoring and driving the team. As a leader, you need to do this very frequently, because you cannot let them do whatever they want. Of course, sometimes they follow the plan, but maybe during the road or during the time that they achieve the goal, maybe they missed somewhere or they lost somewhere. So that's why you need to drive them, all right, to achieve it. Next one, I can do always do in my daily one is I have 2 questions. Always I ask myself why and what I can do better. When I do something, I always ask why I have to do that, or when I encounter any problem, why that problem happened, because that helps you to understand the root of the problem, to understand very deep inside, so that you can solve the problem and you can drive the business. And the second one, when I know the reason why, then I always ask myself what I can do better, what I can do to make it better. So this is something that helped me to create something new, create something more, challenging, something that you can convince your customer, okay, to drive your business going on, okay, move and reach the target. And then the most important, the last but not least, is the cash flow of the company. As a CEO, as a leader, is something that you need to focus, to make sure that your financial performance, the cash always have a good, healthy one, so that you can get your company run.